Rainbow fish swam in the morning light. Glittering scales made the ocean bright. A jellyfish twirled with a gentle sway, waving its arms in a watery ballet. Ah. The sea turtle zipped through a tunnel of blue, zooming so fast that the dolphins flew. A crab clicked its claws in a snappy beat, while tiny shrimp danced on sandy feet. A starfish spun like a twinkly wheel, singing a song with a joyful squeal. Then all the sea friends, big and small, joined the parade and had a ball. The octopus juggled some shiny shells, while puffers puffed up like funny balloons. The seahorses sprang